Hello, welcome again to Golden Optic Gaming. Today I have some fairly exciting news for those of us that are on. Um, they have AMD graphics cards. I have Steam Deck running on official Steam Deck running on my uh, on my box. So I got it running and it's going. All right, now I'm gonna shoot a how-to video how to do this, and I may put this at the beginning, some commands that you got to run if I can't get it recorded the way I want to, but we'll see. I probably should be able to, but I'm going to try this anyway. But here's some commands you're going to definitely want to use. That first command, sudo app SteamOS dash read only disable. That makes it where it's not immutable. You can make changes to the system. And to start off with, you will not have a password up here or it's some kind of weird default password. It says there's no password, but you need to set up a password. Just do password, passwd, hit enter, and I ask you for your password. I ask you to type in another password. You'll type that in, and that's how you set your password so you can run any commands that you need to run. Just to show you what I'm working with hardware wise, we'll go here, we'll go to system and info center. So this is what I'm running with hardware wise. I have a 11th gen Intel i9 1100 11 11900K at 3.50 gigahertz, 64 gigs of RAM, but it's just showing 62.6. Rounded up 63. Yeah, let's just round it up. My graphics processor is, as I've said before, 80M Radeon 6700 XT. And my motherboard is Asus, so that's what I'm running with. I wanted to go all AMD build, but like I said previously, stuff was on sale, but I did not compromise on my graphics card. I was like, I'm gonna do AMD because AMD works with Linux right out the box, and I use Linux every day, so it didn't make much sense for me to go with Nvidia, even though that's all I was seeing when I first started building. I was looking at 3060. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna get me a this kind of graphics card. But then pandemic hit, and I had more time to research, and I'm glad I did because I'm running Steam Deck OS on my desktop, and it seems to work pretty good. I haven't had any problems so far. But I'm going to try to make a how-to video to show you how to get this up and going for yourself. Now, I do have an older model Lenovo IdeaPad that I couldn't get this to work on. Steam Fork works on it, but I couldn't get Steam Deck to even load on it for some reason. Like even after I installed it on a hard drive, because I installed it on a hard drive in a NVIDIA machine, because you can install it on an NVIDIA machine. Just when you go to boot it up, you ain't gonna see nothing. So I just took that hard drive that I put it on, threw it in here, and this is what I came up with. It came up and worked once I got it to the right partition. I think did I don't know if I redid it. I may have redone it with with the drive just to see how it will work if I just installed it straight on this and it seemed to work. I don't think I did actually. Um, but anyway, it's working on my desktop. Played like one game. I played this remotely on my. I think I played up here and I played remotely from my Switch too. So not Switch 2, just my regular Switch. I don't have a Switch 2. I probably won't buy a Switch 2, but I didn't think I'd buy a Switch, but I bought a Switch just because my kids asked for it, and then nobody used it, so I turned it into a portable gaming PC. So, and I have not done a video on that because it's very detailed, and I've only upgraded it once, but I may need to do a video just to learn how to do this, show other people how to do it. But got Steam Deck running, and I'm gonna hopefully make a video on how to do it too.